Wakaazi wa kijiji cha Rioma Marani Kitutu Chache Kaskazini wameamka na simanzi baada ya kupata mwili wa naibu wao Chifu Evans Obegi umetupwa nje ya afisi yake. Baadhi ya wakazi wa eneo hilo wakiongozwa na mwakilishi wadi wao Paul Angwenyi walikuwa na haya wanazungumza kuhusu mauaji hayo.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Paul Angwenyi. I'm the elected member of the County Assembly from Kisii Ward. Rioma sublocation falls under my jurisdiction. This morning, as we woke up, we got information that one of the assistant chiefs of Rioma sublocation was found lying in front of his office, dead. Was lying in front of his office and he was dead. So we rushed to the scene and we found indeed the assistant chief was dead. And when we looked around the scene, there was any disturbance, nothing. The ground was clear, meaning that this person was picked from wherever he was and brought there this wee hours of the morning and dropped there. We are calling upon now, the community is now calling upon the national government, Special Crimes Unit, to come and do a thorough forensic investigations so that it was ascertained what was the cause of his death. But we believe the man has been killed, and on the side along the river, because in his home, about 3 meters away from his home, there's a river that goes around it. We also found a fresh kichwa ya mbuzi fresh imekatwa na imerushwa hapo. We sometimes believe he was sacrificed.
Ambao ni upande wa area MP, ikiwa umsupport uko kwa hatari, itakuwa umehatarisha maisha yako.